No hot water? Strange noises? Leaks? That's when it's time to call the experts, Kingdom Plumbing, your local go-to for fast, reliable, and professional water heater repair. At Kingdom Plumbing, we specialize in water heater repair in Henderson, Nevada, with same-day service you can count on. Whether it's a gas or electric model, tank or tankless, we've seen it all. Our licensed plumbers are highly trained, honest, and transparent. We don't believe in upselling, just straightforward, long-lasting solutions. From pilot light problems to thermostat failures and leaks, we fix it right the first time. And if a replacement makes more sense than a repair, we'll guide you through the best options for your budget and home. Need water heater repair in Henderson? Call Kingdom Plumbing today and reclaim your hot water, fast. Why is my water heater not producing hot water? There are several reasons why your water heater might not be producing hot water. It could be due to a faulty thermostat, a broken heating element, sediment buildup, or a pilot light that has gone out. Kingdom Plumbing can inspect your system and provide expert water heater repair in Henderson to restore your hot water quickly. Do I need a repair or a full water heater replacement? Kingdom Plumbing's technicians will always try to repair your water heater if possible. However, if your unit is old, inefficient, or too damaged to fix, they'll guide you through your replacement options. They specialize in both repair and water heater installation services in Henderson, Nevada. What are signs that my water heater needs repair? Common signs that you need water heater repair include fluctuating water temperatures, strange noises like popping or rumbling, rusty or discolored water, low hot water pressure, water pooling around the base of the unit, or unusually high energy bills. If you notice any of these issues in your Henderson home, Kingdom Plumbing can inspect and repair your system. Where is Kingdom Plumbing located? We are located at 1489 West Warm Springs Road No. 110, Henderson, Nevada 89014. Our phone number is 725-900-4591. Visit our website, www.kingdomplumbing.com/.